What's up, Kia to Technical? So today, as you can see, the kind people over at Supcase was kind enough to send me out their UB Grip for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So we're just going to open this up like so. And we're just going to get this all set up on the device. And I'm already going to tell you, I'm not going to like this screen protector. It's like a it's like a glass screen protector. The only reason why I can say I'm not going to like it is because this is going to interfere with the screen protector that I already have on my device. So if you're looking to get this kind of case for your Z Fold 7, I recommend you do not have on a tempered glass screen protector. Maybe use a film screen protector instead. But anyways, make sure your screen is cleaned off before you put this on. You just place it on like so. So it is just going to sit there. And as you can see, like I said, it is lifting up my screen protector just a little bit. Not too much, but that's still something that's still just enough that it'll bother me. Make me not want to use the case on a day-to-day basis. But some people like these kind of cases for better protection. This is the back that you get. So we're just going to place the phone in the back like so. And like I said, it is lifting up the screen protector once again, but you just place that on like so. Make sure everything snaps. And this is the kind of look and feel you're going to get with your UB Grip on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So you do get a nice lip. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you shouldn't have anything to worry about already, because this has like a glass screen protector built in to it already. So no problem there. It does make the phone feel a little bulky, just a tad bit, because of the hinge protection. But some people love having their hinge covered up. But it does also double as a kickstand, so you can watch content like this or use your device in this view here, which is not bad at all. You do get you a lip around the edge of the device when you open up the device, and that is good. But I wouldn't recommend you place your phone flat down on the table open, because you can damage the screen. Let's close it back up. Let's test out the button area. No problem there. Power button, volume up and down, nice and clicky, no problem. You get some grip here. That's nice to have. At the bottom, you get all the cutouts that are supposed to be there. Turn it over to the back. You do get a nice cutout for the camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the camera, you will be good to go. You get your MagSafe ring there. So you can put your MagSafe ring on there, and it will not go anywhere. Let's test out wireless charging, because this can do wireless charging. So there you go. It is wireless charging. So now let's see if it will allow me to use a power bank, a MagSafe power bank. It may, and it may not. And no, it will not let me use a power bank, only because this camera, the camera ring is stopping it. And that is a lot of problems that you come across with having the Z Fold 7 and with cases and with the S25 Ultra. I just want to put that in there because the cameras hang so low that this is actually touching some of the MagSafe area. So this will not work. Just wanted to throw that out there to you. So now let's go to their website and see how much this will run you. Because I am saying I don't care for the screen protection, and the inside doesn't make it a bad case. This is still a nice case if you're out there looking for this kind of protection. So this case will currently run you $85.99 plus tax. You get this in 4 different colors. So you get it in the black, which is this case here. That's the case they sent me over with the clear back. You get it in a green, which this is what it looks like. You get it in a tan, or gold is what they're calling it. And then you get it in that blue. And this is just overall look of how the case is going to look there when you go to their website and buy it. But overall, it's a nice looking and feeling case. I just don't really care for the hinge protection on it, and I don't care for that glass screen protector. But other than that, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.